Viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of hereditary for mole, also called molar pregnancy. You can see the urinary bladder, uterus, and this is cervix, and this is the mass that is called molar pregnancy or hereditary for mole. A hereditary for mole is a pregnancy in which placenta contains grape-like vesicles that is small sacs which are visible to the naked eye. The vesicles arise by distension of the chorionic villi by fluid. When examined under microscope, hyperplasia of tropoplastic tissue is visible. Now again you can see the molar pregnancy seen in the middle and distal portion of the uterine cavity, and this is called hereditary for mole. It is a tumor that forms in the uterus as a mass of cysts resembling a bunch of grapes. Identiform mole appears during the childbearing age and they don't spread outside the uterus. A malignancy called choriocarcinoma may start from the identiform T mole. A pelvic ultrasound will show the presence of tissue inside the uterus with the characteristic snowstorm appearance of a molar pregnancy. The scan may be performed via the abdominal scan or the vaginal. Ultrasound scan shows a honeycomb pattern produced by the numerous vesicles. As they enlarge, the image is described to look like a snowstorm, which is due to swollen cysts with bleeding inside the uterus. The ovaries are often seen to contain cysts. You can see both the ovaries, and in this case both the ovaries are echomechonormal, no cysts are visible. Mostly, a hereditary mole is an abnormal fertilized egg that develops into the hereditary mole rather than a fetus, and a condition is so called the molar pregnancy. Hereditary mole are the most common among the women under 17 or over 35 years of age. In the United States, they occur in about 1 in 2000 pregnancies. Now, the risk of complete molar pregnancy is highest in women over the age of 35 and younger than 20 years. The risk is even higher for women over the age of 45, but the age is less likely to be a factor for placental moles. For choriocarcinoma, risk is lower below the age of 25 and then increases with age until menopause. Hereditary mole should be taken as pre-malignant lesions because 15 to 20% of complete hereditary moles and 1% of partial hereditary moles undergo malignant transformation into invasive moles. Choriocarcinoma are in rare cases placental site tropoplastic tumors. On ultrasound, complete molar pregnancy can be detected as early as 8 or 9 weeks of pregnancy, but it may show no embryo, no fetus. Now, the diagnosis is often made mostly after it forms. Hereditary form can be suspected. Hereditary mole can be suspected on the basis of symptoms such as uterus that is much larger than expected and a vaginal discharge of grape-like tissue. A pregnancy test is done. Complete molar pregnancies have only one placental part. There is no baby and formed when the sperm fertilized an empty egg. Because the egg is empty, no baby is formed. The placenta grows and produces the pregnancy hormones HCG. Unfortunately, an ultrasound will show that there is no fetus, only a placenta. Immoral pregnancy can have serious complications, including rare form of cancer, and requires early treatment. The measurement of high HCC level more than 1 lakh mlu per ml suggests a diagnosis of a complete molar pregnancy, especially when associated with vaginal bleeding, uterine enlargement, and abnormal ultrasound findings. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you do like this video.